The next thing we need to do in our setup process is install LAMP stack. LAMP stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Since the purpose of creating our web server is to host our web applications, we'll require these services. To begin, type in apt-get install LAMP server and press enter. Type in Y when prompted. Here, we need to enter a password for the MySQL root user. Make sure you remember this password or store it in a safe place. After you've typed in your password, press OK or press enter. Repeat the password. Once that's complete, we need to install the required Apache utilities. To do so, type in the following: apt-get install apache2 utils and press enter. Now we'll need to install phpmyadmin. Type in apt-get install phpmyadmin. Type Y at the prompt. When this message appears, press enter. Make sure that Apache2 is selected. Select yes at this prompt. Type in a password for the database's administrative user. You can use the same password all the way through, just so that way you will remember it and you're not required to store so many different passwords. Here we're entering the MySQL application password for phpmyadmin. And now we're just confirming the password. Next, we need to link phpmyadmin to Apache2 Server. To do that, type in the following and press enter. Now we need to restart the Apache2 service, so type in okay, and that's it. LAMP stack is now installed, and we can test to make sure our install was successful. To do so, you'll need to type your server's IP address into your web address bar. So this is my web server's IP address. I'll just copy it, and I'll paste it and enter. So you should see the default Apache page displayed. This is what it looks like. Also, test to make sure that phpmyadmin works, and to do that, just type in /phpmyadmin at the end of your IP address and press enter. Now for the username, type in root and type in the password you selected during the configuration. And then you should be logged in to phpmyadmin. So if both those things are working, it tells you that your installation was successful. And I'll just reset so it clears up our command console.